Guys, look what Vincent did.
You're cutie. Braley, welcome to my salon.
Welcome to my salon.
Here it is. You ready? Let's see these nails. This isn't really a salon, guys. It's my bed.
No, it's a salon.
Also doubles as a salon, clearly. We've been trying to get Braley's nails done for 6 months. Just kidding, since your last dance.
Yeah.
It's been a while. I actually was just giving her a hard time because she wanted this mint green color, and I was like, nice that we didn't even use this because she picked this color, which is very cute. And she was like, well, that was supposed to be for my Christmas nails. We didn't do that. So Layla did use it though. It was really cute.
Really?
You want to put that on your toes?
Yeah.
Okay, go grab it. Also, plug this in to my extension cord. It's a bit of a disaster. Could I have a better setup? Yes, but I'm feeling a little lazy today. I've been cleaning all day, like deep cleaning, like scrubbing my toilets with a pumice stone. Deep cleaning.
I hate that feeling.
We have really hard water here, and for a while we weren't running our water softener properly. I blame Casey because I have no idea how to do that. And so our toilet, mainly like our main toilet, got a bunch of hard water buildup. And I Googled or looked on Pinterest or something. The game. It seems very excited.
Who's playing?
And they said to use like sandpaper. So I did all these different things. The 49ers and the Cowboys. Very exciting. That would have been the game back when I was in like...
Really?
Yeah, back when I was little. I had a Dallas Cowboys coat. I was very into it. I wasn't. Everyone else had one, so I wanted one too. Anyway, what was I saying?
About the pumice stone.
Oh yeah, I've just been cleaning a lot. So anyway, it got hard water buildup. I sanded it off. We got the water situation figured out, the water softener, but that toilet just gets buildup of hard water deposit so quickly, and it's such a pain in the butt, and I hate it, but it feels good because I like really deep cleaned the bathrooms really well. I kind of cleaned my bedroom. It's kind of a mess over there. It's fine. We got a new mattress, and it's for a possible brand deal, but they sent me the mattress. Like, I did this quiz. I'm really excited about the mattress, like so excited about it. It also has, huh?
I wanted that one.
You thought I was gonna give you the new one?
I wanted it.
Yeah, right. Anyway, then they were like, we don't know, the budget changed, this and that, we'll let you know. And I was like, did I get to keep the mattress though? They haven't said anything. So I've just been waiting to put it on my bed, but I think I'm going to, because also it has like this cover that you put on it that's supposed to keep you cool, and I hate sleeping when I'm hot. It's like a cool one. I've never used anything like that. So if it works, I'll get you one. But anyway, I also need like a new bed.
I'm remodeling my room.
I need to like make, I've talked about this for years and years about not even remodeling, because I've never done anything that I've liked in my bedroom. I just want to do something in my bedroom that I like. I would love to get a new bed. I would love to just do something different in here. It's just so easy to put off.
I'm remodeling my room, and I'm taking my mom's old mattress and putting it on the floor.
I don't think you're gonna like that.
I like sleeping. I've slept on the floor every day since Christmas.
But you were just saying your back was hurting.
Do you think that's why?
I think that maybe we get a bed frame, like a low one.
Yeah.
They're pretty inexpensive. Like basically just like gets you off the ground a little. I think you'll like it better.
I want a circle mattress so bad.
No.
They're so expensive.
Yeah, I was gonna say, but they're so expensive. That's silly.
$9,000.
Yeah. Okay, let's look at Braley's nails. This is the before. I'm gonna do.
This is the before.
Braley, where's that other one? I have been using this on. Look how nice. This is a great example. I've been using this on myself. The Luminary nail system. I really like it. I know this is a bad example. I've been like nervously picking my nails lately, but I love it. They're also very grown out. But anyway, I'm gonna do a coat of this just to make them a little harder.
I'm so sad.
And then this shellac over the top. I just think it stays on better also. Halftime recap. She's just filling us in.
The Cowboys kicker can't make any kicks. He missed 5 kicks in a row. 4 from the Tampa Bay game and 1 from the 49ers game.
Oh really? How's it going?
Braley.
Good, you did it.
Good job.
Let's see him. Oh wow, that's interesting to hold your hand like that. Those are pretty. Oh yeah, Layla got this today. Very fun.
If you don't
I
know
like
me,
this
you
color.
do.
I like that color more than I thought I did. It's really pretty. I like it. Now I'm doing Braley's eyelashes, I guess. Let's see your fingernails. I was lazy and I didn't file them, and I should have. And this one is a little lumpy.
They're cute though.
Yeah, the rest of them are fine. I was just
My first time having short nails in so long, like doing them.
They look cute. Do they feel good?
Yeah.
Like feel the
They
thickness?
feel so good.
Alright, here we go. I forgot I talked about this in a video. Maybe it's the same video. I don't know because I haven't been vlogging. I've been just terrible like always. But I used this to put eyelash extensions on. I think I had them on for a couple hours and then I tore them off. I hated it. I hated it. I hate fake eyelashes on me. And so I just tore them all off. Here's the thing. I have a subscription for...
Let me hold it for you.
Okay, I have a subscription for Thrive Cosmetics. This is the liquid lash extensions, and it's just so much better than that. It just is. This is the greatest. The way that it stays on is just so good.
Except I always get her old mascara tube. Actually, that's probably unsanitary, so.
It is. That's gross.
That's
Braley.
probably why my skin's breaking out so bad.
Mom, I got my face cleaned off.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
All right, so hopefully Braley likes this more than I did. So this is the bonding, this is the sealing. Okay, here we go. Next, look, transaction.
Transaction. Yeah.
I just finished up with Braley's eyelashes. You look really good with like fake lashes. She looked really good with the lash extensions.
back on.
If you can put these on yourself, which I think that you probably could do a better job putting them on yourself than I did putting them on you, then
Yeah.
and you can keep them on for a week, this is the way to go. And way cheaper.
I
Way,
also
way
feel like
cheaper.
they look as natural.
I do.
Because like you can see like the things on the bottom.
Yeah. Yours looked great. Yours were like my favorite.
My extensions.
Holy. Lash extend.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh, I
they're
have
so
hiccups.
pretty.
But
I
those
did like
look really
the cat eye.
I did a longer one right here, the second one in, so that it like
That's what I like.
lifts
Yeah.
your. I have the hiccup, sorry. Okay. Layla,
So
let's
guys,
see. This is amazing.
It's a mom
If
from
you-
the Kardashians.
No, it isn't.
Kris Jenner.
If
No,
you
it's
ever saw
Wednesday.
the show Wednesday, this is when she's in her dance outfit.
It's so
I
cute.
think we should have got salt.
I messed up.
You
I
did
was
great.
made blood coming out of her mouth.
Oh, you did? I thought that was her lipstick, like yours.
I
Looks the same.
tried to.
That's great.
And
I love it. Wow.
still
Like
hurts.
Braley, wait, oh my gosh, Layla wants to wear her hair like that tomorrow for school.
Yeah.
So you need to wash your hair.
We're gonna go in the hot tub.
We should
Oh
do
my
a haul of
gosh,
what
we
we
are?
got from Ulta.
Yeah.
We should do a haul. I don't know about right now though. I'm tired.
Yeah, maybe later.
Also, are you gonna give me a tip or what?
I put the stuff away.
Thank you. That was good.
Look.
Yeah, you can have a tip. I'll give you 10
You're
cents.
just in here eating my treats. Wednesday? Is this Wednesday Adams? Good morning. You ready for school? Layla wanted Wednesday Adams hair today when she's at the school dance. So that's what we did.
Because
Do you like
I'm
it? Turn your
going-
head to the side. Cute. Other side. Cute.
And I wanted to do it because I'm at school.
Yeah. Perfect. I love it. All right. You ready? You ready for the day? Are you
No.
ready to take on the
I
world?
want a popsicle.
I know you want a popsicle. We got popsicles last night, and she wants a popsicle for breakfast. I said no. No. No, 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 no. You can have one after school, though, okay?
It's gonna be such a long time.
I know, but you're just going to have something to look forward to all day now. Just thinking of that popsicle. What flavor? What flavor do you want?
Banana.
Banana. Same. Always my go-to with popsicles. Banana.
Banana. Why can I not have one?
Because that's not good for you for breakfast. Let's go find something else, okay? And get a snack. Did Dad pack a lunch for you?
Yeah.
Today is bean burritos, and Layla said no thank you, and Daddy packed a lunch. That's so nice. So let's go get your lunch ready.
I packed it.
You packed it? Good girl. Good girl. Okay, ready?